is Phil Hillman from Gananoque, Ontario. This is my 203 GT Street Cruiser. My team is Mel's Drive-In. They painted an American graffiti movie. The hot rods in the back are hand-built right from scratch. I have the drive-in is hand-painted. It has 384 lights, and like I say, everything's hand-built, and that's what I do.